Listen. I can hear something.
I listened. I could hear something.
What should we do tonight?
We could go to the cinema.
When you go to Paris next month, you could stay with Sarah.
Yes, I suppose I could.
I'm so tired I could sleep for a week.
I can stay with Sarah when I go to Paris. Maybe I could stay with Sarah when I go to Paris.
This is a wonderful place. I could stay here forever.
The story could be true, but I don't think it is.
I don't know what time Lisa is coming. She could get here at any time.
The weather can change very quickly in the mountains.
The weather is nice now, but it could change.
I'm so tired I could sleep for a week. I was so tired I could have slept for a week.
The situation is bad, but it could be worse. The situation was bad, but it could have been worse.
Why did you stay at a hotel when you were in Paris? You could have stayed with Sarah. David was lucky. He could have hurt himself when he fell, but he's okay.
I couldn't live in a big city. I'd hate it.
Everything is fine right now. Things couldn't be better.
We had a really good holiday. It couldn't have been better.
The trip was cancelled last week. Paul couldn't have gone anyway because he was ill.